What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish? Hey guys, appreciate to be on this Teams call. Tony, great to see you. Dave, awesome to see you. Guys, what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish during our 15 minutes here today? Ask that early, especially if you are in an online environment, a Zoom, a Teams, a conference call. There's a lot going on in the background, okay? That call could be going terrible for 30 minutes and you won't know it. A great way to avoid that is to ask people what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish. If you're in real estate and they're looking at a property, as you open the door, you should be asking them, what's the most important thing that you need to see? Or what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish as we walk through the house? Otherwise, they're going to do what? Follow you through the house, wondering if there's going to be enough space for the pickleball court that is the end-all, be-all thing that they want to do. Find out about the gosh darn pickleball court right away so you can address it. Most of us don't ask those questions because we're afraid the person's going to give us a negative answer. A true consummate professional is going to find out the positives and the negatives right away so they can deal with them. Okay, so what's the most important thing we need to accomplish? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.